Bed cleanup at the front. It's Saturday. I'm actually in the back right now because we're making so much noise out front that it would be hard to record. So cleaned out the weeds on the right side of the bed, or the bed on the right side of the house, and on the left we were going to clip back those alliums and that that really tall pillar flower, which ended up being gay feather, Gayfeather. So I'm gonna take you along and show you what we're doing today. Mostly it's bed cleanup, so this is again part of our summer, end of the summer cleanup, and you clip back all of your bulbs, and I'll show you how some of the allium are actually growing back up. So follow me. This is what we're all gonna take down. So watch how fast I can do it. Okay, check out the aftermath. Here's the pile, and here is kind of what's left. And what I did was I left it down to a stump, and then it looks like, this looks like lamb's ear that might have seeded. So when we planted the lamb's ear over there, we let the seeds run out, and then for the bloom stalks for a long time. And I think the seeds have planted themselves all over the yard. So instead of pulling this, I'm gonna leave this, but it looks like the caterpillars ate it. And we're also gonna leave all of this. And the reason is, I haven't planted this before, but the really tiny bulbs that go in the ground, and they would totally uproot themselves if we pulled these. So what I did was I clipped them down as far as I could go, and I'm gonna leave this, and we're gonna see what happens next year. Maybe this foliage all dies back, the core dies back, and it reblooms, so we'll see. Okay, we gotta do the front, and again, we're all out here doing projects, so you can probably hear the kids. I'll show you what we've got going on. Kids weeding, Joe raking, dogs, our four-wheelers are out. I'm getting all kinds of stuff done. I'm gonna stake this up so that it kind of grows more upright. So anyway, let's get on with our chores. I have to show you this. Baby Joe, get down. Oh my gosh. That's what happens when you're raised in the county. Okay, so we cut all of the dead parts back, and these are the new growth from the allium. So there it is. We'll rake this out and we'll call it good. I need to trim these back more, but we've got those and those. Baby Joe's helping.